Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to Ewing Villas, where a more peaceful lifestyle can be yours. Ewing Villas offers you a low-maintenance life tucked among Marysville's beautiful parks. Here, ranch floor plans put everything on your level. With the laundry just steps from your owner's suite, and an open entertainment space that combines kitchen, dining, and living rooms, you'll be ready for entertaining a house full. Speaking of entertainment, you'll have plenty of space outside too. Over 300 acres of Marysville scenic parks, complete with ponds and walking paths, make the perfect backdrop for your new home. Choose a scenic wooded home site for a private oasis that's just yours. Living here means you get to spend less time on chores and more time doing the things you love. When you choose Ewing Villas, lawn maintenance and snow removal is included. No more shoveling snow in the winter or trying to start the lawnmower in the summer. Historic uptown Marysville is right at your fingertips when you make Ewing Villas home. Enjoy the sights and shops of a quaint time gone by with a historic walking tour. Sit down for dinner afterwards at the Half Pint Grill or the Ville Grill and stop by Witt's Frozen Custard on the way home for a special day. If you're a golfer, Timberview Golf Course is just minutes from your door, as is the Marysville Golf Club. Routes 33 and 36 are nearby for when you need to be on the go. I can't wait to show you this amazing community and lifestyle in person. Make an appointment and come see us today.